Hey everybody, it's Mitch with Beaton Brothers Property Experts. Welcome to the Brooks model by Classic Homes here in the newly developing Percheron neighborhood. This home is just over 5,100 square feet, 6 bedrooms, but the model can go up to 8 bedrooms if you want. Come on in. First off, check out this awesome studio office with French doors.
Hello, my name is Alec. I'm with the Beaton Brothers, and the highlight of this home is definitely going to be the kitchen. Quartz countertop, gas oven, 2 microwaves, and then coming into the scullery kitchen, have an additional dishwasher, fridge, and then you have your walk-in pantry.
Welcome into the living room with vaulted ceilings, tons of natural light, and a floor-to-ceiling stone gas fireplace.
Welcome to this beautiful loft space. It separates 2 rooms, 2 baths as well. You have a beautiful view of the open living room, nice natural light, and a lot of space to do study.
Welcome to this spacious basement with over 2,000 square feet, 8-foot ceilings, a built-in wet bar. This place is made for entertaining.
Additionally, with 3 beds, 2.5 bath, feels like another home inside of a home.
Can you believe that Classic Homes is including this basement for free right now?
No, that is unbelievable. Thank you so much for joining us in this tour today in the growing community here in Percheron. We definitely want you guys to be a part of it. And if you have any questions incentive-wise, please call or text us.